Hello, it is currently 10:53. Today is May the 13th, Friday the 13th. So I haven't started packing yet, but it's fine. It will get done. So technically though, I would say that I am starting the French time zone early because it's morning already. Tomorrow I have 2 flights. That's going to JFK first, and then we transfer for an hour, and then we're going straight to Nice. So I really want to document this journey because when I went in 2018, it was such an eye-opening experience. Hopefully it will be quite a journey. I'm very excited to come back after 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 4 years. So here we go. I am all packed. I made it. The lineup for the baggage check-in is super long, so it's boarding in like 10 minutes, so we're gonna next flight is already boarding, so
我最爱去的唱片店，昨天是它的最后一天，曾经让我陶醉的碎片，全都散落在街边。我最爱去的书店，它也没撑过这个夏天，回忆文字流淌着怀念，可是已没什么好怀念。 可是你曾经的那些梦，都已变得模糊，看不见。那些为了理想的战斗，也不过为了钱。
Oh my gosh, we are here. Yeah, we made it. You want to be in it? We made it to now. Just sending some girls and gonna head to Canada. Oh my god. We have a dang good view. Wow. Unpacked everything and it's settled in our little room. Oh, this view is insane. This is our little town that we're staying at now. This is so cute. You can like flip it. Yeah. We made it along the shore. Let's cross and walk that way. Oh my goodness. Dude, sunset is gonna be beautiful. Wow. Maybe I'll stop here. Wow. I'm still processing. Like, I don't think I've processed. This is beautiful. We're back in the Mediterranean after how many years? 2018, 2019, 2020, 4 or 5 years. I don't know anymore. And we're going to walk along the shoreline to Cannes. Pretty far away though. We're still walking to the Palais, and it's like that small white thing right there. So we still have like quite a bit to go. But this is beautiful. There's like a gradiency to it. I'm gonna go get some stuff to settle in, some groceries, some essentials. So yeah, hopefully we'll be able to sleep early tonight. Tomorrow's a big day.
We're in walk. We made it to the city. We made the exit though.
We found a flea market. Wow. So cute. These are so cute. Little tiny ones. Yeah.
Tu serais mon mystère glacé.
We made it.
Peau à croquer, à réchauffer.
Wow, these are
Mon
so
chocolat,
pretty.
ma boule de gomme. Moi qui n'avais
Wow, look at all these leather wallets.
Si tu devais
We took a great
quitter
turn. This is amazing.
en douceur,
Look at how cute this is.
couleraient mes larmes de caramel.
We were trying to find our way to Zara. And yeah.
Bye, bye, je me
Where's my yogurt that I love so dearly?
amère comme la veille.
Oh, maybe I got it at Dalful. It's the other store.
Clignoter. Ma patience est à liberté.
Yay, let's circle down here.
Je suis pas ta crête.
Yay.
Je
Here we are.
m'appelle pas
We
Suzette.
got some stuff that we needed.
Bye, bye.
And now we're just gonna find
Je
place
ne
to
sais
stay for a little
même pas
bit.
si tu m'aimes.
How are we gonna get back? I think that's the biggest
An
question.
Irish coffee.
Because if we walk back, we're
Un de
gonna get back
tes
at like
yeux
6
couleur
like
cannelle.
6 something now.
Margarita.
You wanna go down and see the
Bloody
palais?
Mary. Le
then we can turn and-
dans les cocktails. Toi qui t'es blue le cou.
Look at, we're here.
Ma
There it
tequila
is.
sunrise.
There it is.
Chante
Yep. This is where it is.
ouvre la fontaine.
This is the palais.
Dieu éclairé comme gazelle.
Yay.
Sucré, salé, souvent se mêle. J'en pleure des larmes de caramel.
There we are.
Caramel. Toi, papa, de tigre.
And here we are walking back.
Pas de oie.
Wonder how long this is gonna take us. Well, this is gonna be quite a walk. You're so good. Oh, no? Bye. You're such a good meow meow. This moon is insane. You can see the entire reflection across the sea. Natsuko, I have such a pure, truthful image now. It's absolutely beautiful. Thank you. Do you know where the... We made it!
I'm already tired.